again with another video. Without a waste of time, make sure you follow me and make sure you subscribe. Road to 1K subscribers. So today we're going to be reacting to the podcast that is trending, Excalibur, trash bitch versus my E. Let me not talk too much. Let's go.
Excalibur, trash. What you want to DJs I know. Njaga. It is biam, but on social media talk like I see your videos over the DJ or I wanna keep DJ. Hey, one about Lalisa Sewono, trash. You understand? But there was a video of you that you said something with hot money and think it Kalelapi Kwali.
Which is number 4, my evilish. You hot man like a KO. Fucking trash. Rapa masepa njaka. Eh. La ka chaiva go di saloon ba o sha khatinyane ya khatenta e tlhapetswe mdala. You fucking tired of this shit. Apere ka go trompisi. Sepantsola, hip hop pantsola. What the fuck nigga? O rapa le sepa, you fell off. Like ayi ntho e yetsang in this industry. O thusitse wa vaya. You had to go. Now online.
Maybe let me hear your side. When it comes from which point of view?
Now my point of view,
yeah.
If with maybe like hot man like rap.
Yes.
If you don't adapt, you die.
Okay.
Until a video about bomb rapper no, right now they fell off.
Okay.
Damn. On his face. He literally told him on his face. That's crazy, bro. Disrespect on a higher level. Yeah.
Nanegere Hotman, he fell off. That's what I was saying.
So when how the naki trash, what do you mean? Kupa we should know. Or the naki
trash go opinion
you said I am trash and I'm a bitch ass. Kupa we should know. Pilabatu.
Kiringi.
Who the naki trash?
Eh, o trash ga di raps tsa di work. No tlamile ke bue maga.
Naki bitch ass ke trash.
Oh,
are you sure?
Tlamile ke bue maga.
Oh, you sure can't you? Nizuyila ngithi. Mina ngi trash mina. Ngibitch
no emapelo an
uyangithuka. Bani?
Wena.
Ngiyakuthina ngiyakukhuza.
Yazenza
mina mfana. And angikukhombi mina mfana. Bheka, ngikhuluma nawe. Bheka wena sana. Wena sana, mamela. Noma ngiringa ngawo angumkhombi umuntu.
Damn, bro. This nigga took it personal. My E took it personal again. He's boiling right now.
Uyangikhomba. And awazi ukuthi ukhomba. Uzolimala. Mina ngiyaba respect abantu kakhulu. That's why ngila ngikhona today. Angikaze mina ngikhuphuka ngomuntu emhlabeni ngizenzele ukuthi
no nake khuphuka ka wena.
Yes, ukhuphuka ngabanye abantu, not mina kuphela. Nalabo okhulume ngabo lapho. Ukhuluma nomuntu one family oshadile. Umtshela ukuthi ayeke ifamily yakhe. Do you know what ukuba ne family? Ubuka mani ngakhulishana wena sana. Ngikhuluma ngobani uthi ngikhuluma ngokhulishana uthe wena fuza.
Olwanela khulishana.
Ngikhulwanela everyone olembo. Kini artist phela.
Olwanela everyone.
Yes.
Oh.
Who gave this guy? Who told this guy that he can fight for everybody? Everybody's quiet because they didn't take it to the heart, but he took it to the heart, like Alakain.
Focus go di rap sing o tlogele everyone.
Are you sure? Are you sure can't bua?
Kente a ke re go opinion ya emapelo ke sa bua.
Ungamkhombi.
Ke sa
khuluma ungamkhombi. Khomba phansi ungakhombi kimi.
Okay, ke sa bua.
Uzongidila. Ungamkhombi.
Ke sa bua.
Ngithi mina ungamkhombi. Ungamkhombi. Ngokuthi you are nothing but a shithole to me. You are nothing. Look at you. You are nothing, my brother. And
bro, this guy is way too old to be getting angry at the things that the youngins are saying. Unnecessary shit. He needs to learn some anger issues.
Because manje abanye abantu abathatha izinto ngokufana njalo.
Sure. Angisukeli umuntu mina. Angisukeli umuntu emhlabeni. And umuntu ongisukelayo, ababhaya bangisukeli, abasitrephile. Batrepha umhlaba ngesifuba ntwana. And I'm not gonna lie to you. Bahamba barapha manje batrepha umhlaba ngesifuba. And emhlabeni there's consequences. And mina that's why ngifuna ukuthi uyisho phambi kwami and uyishilo yabo. Angathi soyishilo. and it's all good.
Aphila ntwanami.
And now we know how his everyday life is, because the way he acted on this podcast right now just showed you guys that in life he's the type of person, if someone does something to him and he takes it personal, he sends people to do the job. Now we know how he thinks. Shout out.
Aphile jwang.
Okay, angachubeka njalo.
Sure.
Comedy or it's just saying.
Obvious ke
Okay,
comedy e mixitse le goreng obvious ke ipuela nnete wa nthola.
Wena
No.
wenzani ngempilo yakho? Njengoba uthi thina siyi-trash njengoba sizirephela sizamele empilweni ubona ukuthi kule economy esinayo. Njengoba ngikutshelile nge-27 sibeka infrastructure 2 million.
Eloko
There will be
emaphi-
ngizokutshela there will be over 10 million economy erana eSoweto that day. Wena yini into yenzayo?
Nna ke kena kae ko
Ngithi
di-economy?
ngitshela, angithi ngitshela into engiyenzayo. Ngitshele wena ukuthi wenzani.
No,
Ma,
re sa bua.
ngithi khuluma ukuthi wenzani ngempilo yakho.
Wa tlamile ke bue ntho e batlang ko wena.
King, no, angithi wena ula. Angithi wena ubiza abantu nge-trash. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena uyini. Because if mina I'm trash, you are a shithole wena.
Exactly. Wa bona if wena o nthoga then bo tlo re re sa
Ukude
bua.
kabi.
Ke opinion ya go.
Ukude kabi.
Ke opinion ya go le nna ke na le yaka di raps tsa go di work. No
You-
tlamile ke reng ke bue maka.
Ngifuna kanjani? Yabo and the opinion yakho mawuthi
Eh le wena ko opinion ya go ke shit hole.
Yes.
Exactly.
Angithi wena uthi mina ngi-trash. Manje nje ushilo ukuthi mina ngi-trash. Wena. Angithi ushilo ukuthi mina ngi-trash. Ngikusukelanga. Hamba waya kusosha angisukelanga mina. Angisangenza next kuwe. Ngimdala kabi kuwe mfana wami. Ukuthi ungayisho lento le. And egaming ngiphushe kakhulu ukuthi mina ngabizwa nge-trash.
Nako le ke re trash ne ke sa re wena ne ke bua ka di raps.
Yena uthanga raps. Uthe wena
Eh,
trash.
bathong,
Uthe bitch
rappers
ass.
o fela o ferella hore-
Ngibekile. Uthe bitch ass kimi wena.
Rappers o fela o ferella gore.
Uthe trash.
A ke re rappers o fela.
Yena uthenga mina ngi-trash. Mina ngi-dustbin. Ngi-dustbin mina fuze ngilahle. Mina.
Ai maybe ke de wena o itsereng ka teng. Nna ke
Uyangikhomba
rappers
futhi.
o
Ubonile
fela
ukuthi ngikhombile futhi.
Yo, why,
Mangikhuluma noma
why,
ngikhomba.
ya dale ya go khomba.
Angikhombi. Baba, phela masongikhomba phela sokuthi akuliwe. Yiwo.
Mamela.
Yiwo phela.
Mayazi kuyenza
Yiwo
kanjani?
leyo mfana wami.
Ezinye izinto
Yes.
mawuziringa abanye
And
abantu
there's
bathatha ngenye indlela.
consequences.
Kayithola daddy.
And manje yazi-
This guy is way too old to be getting angry at a kid in a podcast. Grow the fuck up. Grow the fuck up.
Lang ke ba san text go TikTok an 13. Ne ke tla apologize grant. No 113 na unchayela ka zinja
Benga-13 bengikukhuza bengisitshela ukuthi intwana eshap uzobuya uthi Khotman.
Angikhuza tlamele o bue le nna sento tle ko nne mfethu dile ngake ra.
Usukele mina fuze ngize ngithi hayi bhuti mina uyanya wena sana.
Sangatheka
Wena
TikTok.
uyasuza wena yazi umsuzo
Hey,
wakho
batho.
lentwana le. Yakaka kanti
If Khotman ke bua le wena.
kanti yasheka lentwana.
Yazi
Yazi
kanjani?
that's why sithi ngikukulethela ngifuna izinja zabo zibone ukuthi uyintwana enjani. And abantu abane-attitude yakho efana neyakho mfana wami ngeke baye
Ringa,
anywhere.
Khotman.
Yazi isikhathi masihamba ne. And u-entertainment kuboma TikTok wenzani wenzani. Uswazi uhlangana nomuntu aba-affiliated noma
Sure.
udinge bona.
Sure.
Avela athi hayi ingayenzeki lento ingayenzeki.
Wethi perception yakho akayo-
Angaqedi.
Okay, sure.
I-chance yakho le ukuthi u-aphile ku-Grootman ni-ring eGrand.
Sure.
Na besides nje i-entertainment uGroot kunakuwe.
Sure.
Uyangithola. Ungabi stubborn ngadayiling.
Sure,
Aphila
batho.
ku-Grootman.
Mara e re go go arabe ka lighting ya perception ak the way ke bona ka teng dale ya go tlo tlhoka motho because wa affiliated le Khotman nan. Na perception ya ka yone go goreng it's either o tlo ratela nnete ke buang or o tlo ratela maka ke nne fake mo sefatlhogong sa go. Na ke na go go tlo nna fake ke re hey I like this I like that because wena wa e rata.
Yeah.
If o tlo go nna a ke ba tlo phela le gore nna o ba tlo phela le nna because ke buile nnete it's fine ko nna I don't care.
Mara you deserve
It don't matter
umuntu omdala. Umthuke. Umuntu omdala kuwe. Umfake kule language yakho
yakho
ya-trash.
musicing
Why-
o etsa
why-
music Khotman ke
Umbizile
bua ka
ka
music
umbizile ka uncle. What does that mean to you? If you say I'm an uncle. Angikho mdala.
Why it's senze kanjani
Hey,
njani?
lo muntu
Angero re ke sponsor
Wena
house.
life awuyazi,
That's your
ijamba
craft,
kanjani.
right? Can you explain
Awuyazi
to
level
us?
craft,
Ngicela
mfana
explain to us ukuthi le craft yakho kahle kahle yini and make us understand.
That's crazy, bro. This is crazy. Face to face. This is crazy.